Ever wondered how big data is summarized to make sense of it? Aggregate functions are the unsung heroes of data analysis, working behind the scenes to calculate over entire sets of values. These powerful tools help transform copious amounts of data into single summarized values, making the complex digestible. Whether it's calculating average sales in finance, monitoring patient statistics in healthcare, or analyzing consumer behavior in marketing, aggregate functions are indispensable. Understanding these functions can transform a mountain of data into valuable insights. Let's dive into some of the most commonly used aggregate functions. First up, count. Imagine you run a bustling coffee shop, and at the end of the day, you want to know how many cups of coffee were sold. The count function does exactly that. It counts the number of items in your data set, giving you the total number of coffee cups sold. Next, we have sum. This function adds together all the values in a set. So, if you wanted to calculate the total revenue from those coffee sales, sum would be your go-to function. Simply put, it totals up all the prices of the coffees sold throughout the day. Moving on to AVG, or average. This function calculates the average of the values in a data set. Let's say you're curious about the average temperature over a week. AVG takes the sum of all the daily temperatures and divides it by the number of days, giving you a neat average to work with. Then there's min and max, which are particularly handy in the world of finance. If you're managing a stock portfolio, min will find the lowest price of a stock in a given period, and max will find the highest. These functions help investors gauge the volatility and potential of their investments by highlighting the extremes. These functions are the backbone of data analysis, simplifying complex data sets into understandable metrics. Now you see, aggregate functions are more than just mathematical tools. They are the backbone of data analysis, enabling us to distill vast oceans of data into digestible, actionable insights. Through the use of functions like count, sum, AVG, min, and max, we've seen how data can be transformed into a clear and concise format, simplifying decision-making processes across industries. Imagine having the capability to swiftly determine the average revenue per product, or to instantly count the number of transactions in a busy hour. This isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding the story that data tells us. Aggregate functions help peel back the layers of complexity to reveal the core information necessary for strategic planning and performance evaluation. By mastering these functions, you equip yourself with the ability to make informed, data-driven decisions that can profoundly impact the success of your endeavors. Embrace the power of data with aggregate functions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the data-driven world.